Before there were cities, before kings, before stories, before even a single breath of life, there was only silence and stardust floating endlessly in the dark ocean of the universe, waiting for something to begin. Then, a star exploded, scattering elements of creation across the galaxy. Iron, carbon, oxygen, the very ingredients that would one day form you and me. From that cosmic chaos, gravity pulled dust into a glowing ball of fire, our sun, and around it, the planets began to take shape. Among them, one tiny blue world would become home to everything we know, Earth. 4.5 billion years ago, the newborn planet was a violent, molten world where meteor showers rained fire and a Mars-sized body named Theia collided with Earth, giving birth to our moon. Over millions of years, the surface cooled, rains fell for centuries, and vast oceans were born, cradles of the chemistry of life. In those oceans, lightning and heat sparked the first living molecules, marking the beginning of evolution. For billions of years, life existed quietly in the seas until multicellular organisms appeared, evolving into endless forms. After the extinction of the dinosaurs, mammals rose, and from the African plains emerged Homo erectus, upright beings who used tools and discovered fire. Archaeological sites like Evron Quarry show early evidence of controlled fire, proof that humans had mastered nature's most powerful force. Fire was not just warmth. It was community, communication. Over time, humans learned to cultivate the land. Around 10,000 years ago, in Mesopotamia's fertile crescent between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, people invented irrigation, transforming deserts into farmland. Food surpluses led to population growth, and villages became cities like Uruk, where temples, trade, and early governments flourished. To manage resources and taxes, people invented writing, cuneiform, wedge-shaped marks pressed into clay, marking the dawn of recorded history. From here, knowledge could outlive memory. With civilization came curiosity, and from curiosity came invention. The wheel, first used for pottery, revolutionized transport and trade. The compass guided explorers across uncharted oceans, while Gutenberg's printing press in the 15th century spread ideas faster than ever before, sparking the Renaissance and fueling an age of discovery. Then came the Industrial Revolution. James Watt's steam engine multiplied human power, and factories turned smoke into progress. The telephone connected voices, airplanes conquered the skies, and transistors gave birth to computers. In 1969, humanity touched the moon. A species that once feared fire now walked among the stars. From transistors came computers, from computers the internet, and from the internet the smartphone, the world in our pockets. Now, with the rise of artificial intelligence, we face a new chapter. Machines can think, write, and create, blurring the line between tool and mind. Every invention has changed what it means to be human, and AI may redefine it forever. In just a few centuries, we compressed millennia of progress into a heartbeat of history. In this vast timeline of 4.5 billion years, we have journeyed from stardust to consciousness. Every discovery, every spark of curiosity, every leap of imagination has brought us here, a species of stars that learn to dream. We are not the end of history. We are its newest authors. From the dust of dying stars to the birth of intelligence, this is our story, the story of Earth, of humanity, of you. Subscribe to Little Historian, where the past comes alive and the story of us continues.